Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've made any content and I do apologize for that. It's been a bit of a rough year for everyone, and of course life gets in the way at times. A Happy New Year to you all, and I hope you've all had a great Christmas. Anyway, today's video I'm going to show you my Shark RF Openspot 1, which I have connected to a duplexer. Basically a duplexer will allow one antenna to operate two radios or transceivers at the same time without interfering. It has some filtering and stuff in it. I will try and find a picture of the duplexer, because where the duplexer is right now it's really hard to get a good visual of it. But I will go to the internet and see if I can download a picture, and I'll put it up here in the video for you, so you can have an idea of what I'm looking at and what I'm using. Anyway, I'm glad you guys stuck with me. I see I have some new subscribers. Thank you to you all. I've had some new questions on some of my videos, and I try and get back and answer all you guys, and comments. I welcome them all. So guys, really good job. Thank you for sticking with me, and it's been much appreciated. Anyway, we'll flip over to the video or the recording I just did there of the duplexer in action, and hopefully you can enjoy it. 7-3 everyone, and stay tuned. This is Victor Echo 6 Golf Charlie Mike. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm on HF. In fact, I've been listening to PSK some this morning. And I get on every morning about 6:30 on 3933. And we talk to a bunch of guys around table from up in Kentucky and Virginia, North Carolina, and other places.
So this is my Shark RF Openspot version 1. And that's what that audio and signal is coming through the internet.
I'm not really into it. I just get on there and I know some of the guys.
System fusion, and works great. But what I've done is I bought myself a duplexer, which it's really hard to see back in here. Let me see if I can get it up out of there a little bit. So there it is. It's a duplexer. I know it's hard to see, sorry. So there it is, a duplexer. I'll see if I can get a photo and stick in there. But what I've done is I've connected my Shark RF, which usually got a little tiny stubby antenna on it, a little short thing, because it's just 20 milliwatts output. It's basically for use around your home, possibly around your yard. So what I've done is I've connected the duplexer to my outside antenna, which runs this VHF UHF radio here. So the duplexer allows me to actually use the 2-meter radio here simultaneously while using this without any interference. So the duplexer will split the signal and filter out one side from the other, and I can transmit on this radio while this one is going, and I'll do that right now, and there should be no interference whatsoever. So I'm going to wait till that guy. So you're going to hear reception from this guy, and now I'm going to key up the 2-meter repeater. Victor Echo 6 Golf Charlie Mike monitoring.
Good morning. The time is 10:56 a.m.
So as you can see, both of those radios are receiving and transmitting on the same antenna outside of my home. So it's a really neat little setup. Works really well. And what I've done, the reason I did that is my Openspot now gives me far greater coverage around the neighborhood, and I can listen to it. As you can see, the lights are all lit up because the signal is coming through from that. But Shark RF is an awesome little rig. It does cross-band multi-modes for digital radio. That's a whole other video, really. It's quite involved, but I have it set up for C4 FM because that's what I have, C4 FM. All my Yaesu radios, the digital radios, are C4 FM, except for I do own the Kenwood in here, That's a D-Star, which I don't use very often. But as you can see, this works great. Shows you the call sign, and the audio is pretty decent. So see, that guy's in Ontario, the other guy is somewhere else, and we're all using the same system through through the internet. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that quick setup and show you how I have done it. Like I say, I do have it on an Arrow antenna, a dual band antenna outside of my home. It's not very high, but it works, and I can get it pretty well. I'm going to move the antenna higher this year when the weather warms up above the eave of my house, and really should extend the coverage. But when I'm mobile in my truck around the neighborhood here, I can pick that up really well. And of course, since it only puts out 20 milliwatts, if I can hear it, you can be guaranteed that I can talk to it. The lowest setting on my mobile rig is 5 watts. So again, if I can hear it, I should be able to talk to it. Anyway, folks, that was a quick overview of what I've done, and I'd like to I'll try and get a better photo of the duplexer, which is pretty neat. It's a very neat rig. It cost me $70-something on Amazon, and it's really cool. You can run 2 different units into one antenna, and neither one will interfere with the other. So awesome stuff. You can transmit at the same time and receive the same time, and neither radio knows the other radio exists, even though you're on the same antenna. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you'll stay tuned, and we'll try and get some more content out. 7-3 from VE6 GCM.